Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Jacob Letman here. Look, talking about Survey Junkie. Did you know that it's not just for adults? It's also for kids 16 and older. That's right, so if you got kids, put them to work. Have them sign up. Use our link in the video description below. Download the app. You and your family, you can all hang out, watch some Netflix, eat some popcorn, and do surveys, make some money, make a competition out of it, see who earns the most. Anyway, look, I was finally able to cash out. Not finally, I make it sound like it took forever. I was able to cash out because I earned over $5, and that's all you need in order to cash out with Survey Junkie. So I did a screen recording. I want to show you guys. Right, if you take a look at my account, you can see I have 562 points, which means I have $5.62. You only need $5 to cash out. It's very simple. You have three awesome options with cashing out, right? You're going to click Redeem Now, and then it's going to pull up three options. You can redeem in the way of a gift card if you want to, or you can redeem in the way of, well, and with the gift cards, there's tons of options, right? You got Amazon, Target, Groupon, Sephora, Starbucks. What else? There's a whole bunch of them. Anyway, PayPal, you can go directly to your PayPal account, and if not, they have a great feature where you can cash out directly to your bank, so you get that money going straight into your bank account. Yeah. Anyway, with not a lot of work going on, if you guys are on pandemic unemployment assistance right now, like I am, or unemployment assistance, and hey, you can still make some extra lunch money if you want to. It's really easy, all these surveys, and there's endless surveys out there. They just keep filling up, right? Keep filling up. But anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys how easy the process was to go in, cash out in the way that you want to cash out, either with a gift card or send the money straight to one of your accounts, and then you got it. And it's that simple. And what else? Yeah, easy peasy. That's all I got for you guys. Just doing the cash out thing today. Talking about the Survey Junkie. Alright, so again, if you want to sign up for it, all you're going to do, you're going to go into the video description below. It is the first link there. You're going to click that. Download the app. You'll get points just for signing up and filling out your profile. And don't forget that you're going to want to go into, go to the menu, go to your profile, and fill out those surveys, personal surveys that ask about you, so that you will get surveys that are more relevant to you, so you keep getting surveys that you can qualify for. Because if you don't qualify for a survey, you're going to get kicked out and you're only going to get a few cents. Okay, that's what I got for you guys on the Survey Junkie front today. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Until the next time, you guys, stay safe out there.